Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this braided wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or any of my products, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. So this wig, the one that I'm going to try today, it doesn't have a baby hair, it doesn't have a closure. So for the one that has a closure, this is how it looks. As you can see, it has a 4x4 closure, and you can style it any way you want. So for this other one, it doesn't have baby hair. So guys, also if you want the wig with baby hair, always leave me a note or just WhatsApp me before you place your order. So this is how it looks. As you can see, you can do the baby hair. And as you can see, this is how it looks. And then I applied foundation on the parting to make it look more natural. So I'm spraying some oil on the braids, and then at the bottom, because I used a Spanish, I don't want it to tangle, I'm applying Baby Love just to make sure like it doesn't tangle. So guys, if also you want to watch more tutorials, guys, YouTube has encouraged us to create a community or membership. So if you haven't joined my membership, guys, just click the join button next to the subscribe button and join my membership. I'll be sharing more tutorials and unique styles, and then we'll be interacting there. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, guys, make sure you become a member of this channel just to support the channel as well. So this wig comes in different colors. The first one on this photo is black and 30. The second one is black and 27, and then plain black color 1, black and 350, and black and 1900. So it comes in different colors. You can just choose whichever color that you prefer, and I'll make it for you.
pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you love the style as well. Just comment down below also if you love these styles, and then also if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. And also don't forget to join my community, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
You